Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to paint a wreath. So I have already created this circle for myself, so you can do for yourself as well. Now in today's video we are going to paint a lemon wreath. So the idea is having full of lemon into it with basic shape of leaves as well. So you can create a basic diagram for yourself or basic guideline for yourself, like where you want to keep your lemons, how big you want your leaf to be, those kind of things you can think, and you can draw with the help of pencil so that you can do it easily, and you can also see the basic composition, like where it is going, right? So something like this you can create. Couple of leaves and lemons you can keep overlapping as well between each other, and likewise you can paint number of lemons, number of leaves. You can create half leaves, you can create half lemons, those kind of things also you can try. So keep doing it until you're satisfied with the basic structure. I think this much is enough. Now we can rub all the unwanted pencil mark and we can start with the watercolor. Now for today's video we need very few basic color, so I'm using here violet color, and you can use blue color as well for this particular step. And I'm going around my lemon and I'm creating half of my lemon with violet color, not exactly half, but I'm creating a violet color stroke at one side of the lemon. That is, I think, the correct statement. And I'm doing this similar thing for all the lemons that I have in this particular composition. So basically I'm just trying to add a little extra darker color into my lemon, and for that particular area I'm adding violet color first. So likewise you can make your life easier, because wherever you feel little darker color you needed, you can first add this particular color and then you can start with the yellow color. So that's the idea. So I am done with all my lemons, and the same thing I'm doing for the leaf as well, and I'm using opposite color. So with the help of red color I'm going around my leaf area, not exactly painting everything with the red color, but I'm adding a little stroke of red color inside my leaf, especially at one side. So I hope you understand what I'm doing here. So keep doing it for all the leaves that you have. Basically you need to create a one stroke inside the leaf. Now you can use lemon yellow color and you can start filling the whole lemon, including the violet area that you have created. So automatically you will get a little darker color at one side of the lemon, and also keep small negative space into the lemon area to make it more beautiful, because these negative space is very important, especially when you are doing fruits. So whenever you are trying to create any kind of fruit, keep few shiny area, negative area in between. So that's the suggestion, and I am doing the same thing for all the lemons that I have. So basically creating the lemon with lemon yellow color, filling this particular color throughout the lemon area, and you will see one side is little darker as compared to the another side because of the violet color that we have used earlier. So this is the easiest way to do something like this, and we are almost done with the lemons. See how beautiful these lemons, and easy to paint, right? So keep doing it until you are done with all the lemons that you have, and then if you want we can add a little extra color into these lemons. So what you can do is just keep your lemons little on the wet side, so you can just add a layer of water at one side, mostly towards the darker side, and then you can use green color and just tap a little bit of green color to get little hint of green into the lemon area. So that is the idea. So you can do it randomly, and because our sheet is wet, it will gonna spread a little bit, and it will not form any hard edges. So I think this one is perfect now. Now let's jump into the leaf. So I'm using cobalt blue color into my lemon yellow color, creating a green color. I think it is too dark, so let me add more yellow, and likewise you can create your own shade and just go around the leaf area, fill the whole area with this particular color. The area wherein you have added red color, you will automatically get little darker color or a shadow kind of color. So that is the idea behind adding different color before jumping into the main color that we have. So I'm going to add this particular color, which is more of a sap green kind of color, mixing lemon yellow and cobalt blue, and I'm adding this particular color in all the leaves that I have. So let's do it until we are done, and then we are moving to the next step. Now let's connect everything together, all the leaves, all the lemon. We already have a round shape, so just finish it with the green color, and at the end, if you want, you can add more leaves into it to finish. So I think I'm liking this particular composition, but I will show you how you can add more leaves into it. So I'm going to add more leaves into it with same color that I have basically, so I'm not going to do anything fancy here. I'm lifting a little bit of color because it is too green in that particular area. Now let's add a couple of more leaves here and there. These are basically simple one stroke leaves, nothing fancy. So for the one stroke leaf, you need to understand only two things: how much pressure you need to apply into your brush. The more pressure you will apply, the greater thickness you will get, and in which direction you want to move your leaf. So first leaf we have created was already defined, and this one I'm doing it randomly. So creating some random leaves here and there, smaller in size, bigger in size, whatever you like, you can try accordingly, and you can add something like this in between, but obviously don't overdo it. And we are almost done with today's video. Hope this video is easy and simple to follow, and please do let me know if you have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching my videos.